What's up everyone? Today I'm going to guide you through how to buy Solana directly inside your MetaMask wallet. This process is seamless as it uses integrated payment providers. Let's get started. First, before you can buy, you need to be on the correct network. As the video shows, open your MetaMask wallet and tap the network selector at the very top of the screen. From the list of available networks, find and select Solana. Your wallet's home screen will then refresh to show you your Solana assets. This is a crucial first step to ensure your purchase goes to the right place. Now let's start the buying process. Tap the central blue button with the arrows at the bottom of the screen, and from the menu that appears, select Buy. On the Amount to Buy screen, confirm that SOL is the asset you want to purchase. Enter the amount of money you'd like to spend in your local currency, and then select your payment method, such as a debit or credit card. Once you've entered the details, tap the Get Quotes button. MetaMask will search its partners for the best rate and, as shown in the video, will present you with a recommended quote from a provider like MoonPay. To finish the purchase, simply tap Continue with MoonPay or your chosen provider. You will be securely redirected to their platform to finalize your payment and any required identity verification. After the transaction is complete, the Solana will be sent directly to your MetaMask wallet. And that's how easy it is to buy Solana without ever leaving your MetaMask app. If this was helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more.